So hey guys, we're down at the farm and I just got some frames left over from the big harvest we just had. Now this is one of the worst jobs, is cleaning up these frames, but hopefully I've got a tip here that will help you out. So here we go. So I've got a hot water urn here. You can use kettle, but the urn's obviously a lot better because it holds a lot more water. You don't have to fill it up as regularly. And what I'm going to do is just in this groove here, where we put the foundation. It's a pain to get that out, but with this, all I've got to do is I run it under the hot water, and it gets that out straight away, melts it straight away. You can also use it to get rid of all this other wax that gets stuck on the thing. Use your hive tool and the water comes straight on. So as you can see, the wax starts to melt out straight away. That's how easy it is. So with little to no hassle, you got a clean frame, which is perfect to put away for next spring when we're going to put them in the new hives. And if you guys have got any ways that you do it, any easier methods, put them in the comments. It'd be much appreciated. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.